In this tutorial, we will cover inserting functions in Excel. Please open the file 05 Insert Functions. Excel has over 450 different functions you can use to perform just about any kind of calculation. If you're having trouble finding the right function, you can use the Insert Function command to let you search for the function you want. It can also guide you through inserting arguments, which is helpful for more complex functions. If you would, go and click on cell B2 and make sure that you're on the Formula tab of your ribbon. On the Formula tab, you'll see on the left-hand side in the Function Library, Insert Function. You'll also see that same icon down on the formula bar. Click on Insert Function and it opens up the Insert Function window. You can type a few keywords into the box to find what you're looking for, or you'll see different categories you can go through searching as well. Click the drop down for category and you'll see the different groups of functions: financial, date and time, math and trig, text and logical, just the same as you see over in the Function Library. If you would, click in the box that says search for a function, and if you would, you can click and drag over to select everything in there. If you would, let's go and look for the round function. Type in R-O-U-N-D and click Go. Excel will come back and says, oh, I found these functions that deal with the round terminology. Under the box, you'll see a listing of them, and down at the bottom, you'll see exactly what it does. And you can click on those to get a preview of those that you're working with. If you wanted more detail about the function, if you're online, you can click on Help on this function to get more detail and more information. With round selected, go ahead and click OK. That will open up the Function Arguments window. On the Function Arguments window, you'll see that there are two boxes, number and number of digits. They're both bold. Numbers bold and number of digits is bold, which means there must be something in each of those boxes for it to work. First is going to be our number information. Go and click on cell A2 to tell it to get its information from cell A2. Then click in the number of digits box. And this is the number of digits you want to round to. Let's round it down to 4 digits. Go ahead and click OK, and you should get 3.1416. You'll see up in the formula bar, equal, round, open parentheses, A2, comma, 4. That's your formula that's used to create your result. And there are other functions, other tools, but just understand those are the basics for working with your insert functions.